How to set up Exchange email on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, tap on the Samsung email app. Next, I'm going to go back to my mailbox and then tap on the menu button. Next, tap on the settings icon. Then tap on add account. Next, go down and then tap on exchange. Now in here, put in the email address. So here I will put in itjungles@outlooks.com. Then go down and tap on menu setup. In here, you can put in your correct email address, domain username. So put in your username and your exchange account password. After that, you can put in your exchange server and then the port number. This, if you do not have all of this information, you can get it from your network administrator. And here we can select a security type. After that, tap on the sign in button. If your login information is correct, then you should be able to sign into your Exchange server and you will be able to sync your mailbox down to your phone. If the information is not correct, you will have an error message which you can go back to your page and rectify any error. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.